Okay, so we need to calculate.
So I got
Now,
for this.
remember, we need to do something now. Yes.
Okay.
How did you calculate? You said?
So I said 171,000 minus 34,200.
How did you do that?
Because
Yes.
well, and then the
Yes.
value I got was 136,800.
Okay, so I got the same.
Yes. Yes. And then you multiply
And
by
then you would multiply by 20%.
20%.
And then you would say, yes. And then you would say
Yes.
10
How many
over
months?
12. Yeah, 10.
How many months? 10 over 12. You said January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. It's not 10. It's going to be 9. You know why? You don't count the 1st of October.
Yes.
Oh, yes, it's the beginning of the month.
Are you with me? Remember, this is the 1st of October. So you don't, yeah, so you count where it started. Obviously, you count until September.
Yes.
Okay.
So I got 20,520.
So how much you get? 520.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what you have been looking for. So all along, you have been looking for this information. You have been looking for this information. You've been looking for this one. You've been looking for this one. You've been looking for this one.
Yes.
So you need to add them together. Continue. So that we can get the accumulated depreciation. Are you with me?
Yes.
So that is the amount that we're gonna use.
I got 73,720.
Yes. How much is that?
So 73,720.
73,720.
Yes. Also, that's why it's called
Yes.
accumulated depreciation.
So
That's
this
what you
is
have to
the
add.
accumulate.
Okay.
That's true. All of them,
Okay.
and from the date you bought it until the date you sold it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
So
makes
it
sense now.
means you have to. Yes. Now we can go and record in those accounts. Already we know where to go. Can you see now?
Yes.
Yes. So we can go. We can start with the machine realization. Just check the sites here. We said under which site for machine realization?
Debit, I think so.
Check there. You check here.
Debit.
No, it's credit. Can you see? Machine realization, but it doesn't matter which one to start with. We can start with this one, which is we sold it September the 1st.
Yes.
And we just say accumulated depreciation, and then we just say machinery. Okay, and then we use GJ, and we put that 73,200 if I'm not mistaken.
I think it was that value, sir. 72.
Well,
Okay.
73,720.
Or 720. No problem.
Yes, 720.
720.
Yes.
Yes, thank you so much. Can you see now?
Okay. Yes.
And then now we take it to the accumulated under which side? Under which side, obviously? This side, ne?
Yeah, because it's credit on the
September.
disposal, so it'll have to be debit on this.
That's true.
Yes.
Yes, that's true. Okay. Okay. Which is GJ.
Yes.
Are you okay, guys?
Yes, sir. It makes sense.
Yes, yes. No, so he was confusing me because he's saying that it was going under
Makes
debit in machine realization and credit in accumulated depreciation. No, he said it was the opposite.
no.
But
When
it's
I was
supposed
saying
to be.
credit, I was referring here.
Oh,
Yes, to the
Oh,
asset
you're talking about
disposal.
there. Yeah.
yes. No, so you're confusing me. I don't know what he said.
Okay, no.
But it
But
was
are
fine.
you
No, it's
okay
fine.
now? Like,
Yes, yes.
do you
Sorry, sir.
understand why I go to the debit?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. This is accumulated depreciation. Yes. Okay. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now. So now, when I was calculating accumulated depreciation, remember this accumulated depreciation here? Can you see 2 years were before the beginning of the year? Which years are that? The ones before the beginning of the year. Which years are that? The ones that were before this year. Do you know which years are that from here?
So it would be from 2022,
And
2023, sir.
2021. Oh,
2022 and what? And 2023.
Yes, sir.
No, 2023. This remember these two. I'm talking
Yes.
about these ones. Can you see now? So it
Yes, sir.
means this will act as the opening balance because they come from the previous year. Can you see now? So meaning this will be
oh.
the balance of accumulated depreciation. These ones. Can you see
Because
now?
it came from the
So
previous year.
here, remember, usually the balance will always be on the credit side. Yes. So here you're gonna say we should have maybe started with it, but it's still okay. But we started when? On the 1st of January when we started.
Yes.
Because it comes from the previous.
Previous year.
This will be our breakdown.
Okay.
I don't know if it makes sense.
That makes sense, sir.
Oh, okay. No, I see.
I think
Sir.
that's where I was getting confused also, sir.
Yes.
But now it makes sense.
So you have to add these two amounts, only these two.
Okay.
Ni- Are you still with me? Yes.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
hear you now, sir. I think it broke up there a little bit.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So did you get the balance for me?
So is the balance at 19,000?
There are two amounts. The balance will be this one plus this one because they took place before the period. So at
It will be
19,000 plus
19,000.
34,200.
Okay. So I got 53,200.
53,200.
Yes, sir.
Does that make sense?
It does make sense, sir. Because it was 2024 opening balance, so it would be 2022 plus 2023, not only 2023.
Yes. So only 2022 and 2023. This will be the opening balance that we started with.
Okay, I see, sir.
Any questions?
Not from me,
No,
sir.
sir. It makes sense now. I was
You see now.
confused before, but now it makes so much more sense.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. Yes. So this is what we have.
So now do we move to step
Can we
3?
move on?
Yes, sir.
Step 3 now. If I may ask, what is that step?
So step 3 is to calculate
No
the
pressure, no
selling.
pressure, no pressure, no pressure.
It's to calculate the selling price or the value of
We're
the asset
recording the
that
selling
was
price.
sold or traded.
Yes.
And yeah,
That's
sorry.
yes. Perfect. Or the value, like you said, né?
Yes, yes.
Of. Perfect. Sorry about that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir.
And so they can look the same. Step number 3. Okay. And we know that the obvious one is
Machinery realization.
what is the obvious account?
Machine realizations. So can you hear me? So if you can hear me, it's machine realization.
Realization. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear. Do we debit it or do we credit it?
So you would
Can you hear?
debit it.
No, my network is bad. No, we don't debit. We always.
So would you
Né?
credit it because it's a negative asset? No, but it's not.
You know why? No, it's not that. Remember, we don't normally decide on this. You must understand the other account first. What is the other account for the selling price? How did you sell it?
Uh,
How did you sell this asset?
so we sold it for cash.
Yes. What is the account for cash?
Bank.
Bank. Okay, guys, can I find my charger, please? My battery, maybe. Let me find the charger. Ne?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, that's fine, sir.
Okay, I'm back. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I can hear you now, so yes. So I was saying, oh, you said it was
Yes.
bank
No
because it
problem.
was sold for cash.
So
So bank
it
is
is
debited, therefore machinery realization is credited.
yes. So can you see? That's true. You must use that technique. You must always look at the other account. Otherwise, you won't understand the machine data. So you debit what? Bank. Can you see it will give you the answer for the other one? You credit machine realization. Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Now
Yes.
I understand.
Nope. No, I understand. So now we can go and record Anna. Sorry, machine realization under which side? On the credit side.
Credit side, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we come to the machine realization on the credit side. We just come here. It's the same date to write it again. What will I write here? What must I write?
So the contra is bank.
bank. The channel
CRJ, sir.
can you hear me?
So
Yes,
I can hear you now.
CRG.
Channel? Yes. And then how much was the selling price? Let's check. It was yeah, CRJ, ne? Okay. The amount was how much? H2 network is bad, you know?
Yes, I think it's the rain or something. Because even on our side, our network is bad.